everyone! We are in Ataköy now, our new project. This project is completely different than the others. Why? Because it was a very old apartment and it's renewed completely. Let's see together how it was. That why we changed all the apartment was we were in need of a balcony. So this is why everything changed. Let's see together. As you see in the previous photos, there was no any balcony in this apartment and it was good, big, but we needed this area too much. So what we did is we changed the doors of the balcony and we created an open space. Another reason that we did this much change is, as you see in the photos, the apartment was too much brown, too much cream colors and too much red wood color on the flooring. So we wanted to break that one. Now I want to show you what we designed for this apartment. As you know, with our own application InteriorEast VR, we are able to see the final version of the apartment. Let's check together. So we have our project already built here. So I'm pressing to it and I'm seeing my plan with cameras. And now, as we are in living room, we will start from there. I'm pressing the camera and here is my render. So here we have some panels, our seating, our TV unit, and dining area. Let's see the master bedroom. Here I press to the camera and this is mine. Let me find the corner. And this is my master bedroom. As you see, we have wardrobes. And here we have bed and bed head. Now we are in the children's room number 1 and let's see what's designed for this room. Pressing my camera, choosing my render, keeping my vision and start. This is the desk area. And here we have a wardrobe and we have bedding area. Like this. Since the apartment is made up of from 3 bedrooms, so we are in the last one. Let's see what's happening in the second children room. This is the desk area. And here our wardrobe starts. Now we are in the most important place of an apartment, in the kitchen. The change here is very big. Now you will understand what I mean. Come, let's see. Let's start. This was the first video of this apartment, so it was before video. We will also see the after video when everything is completed, and we will see together what changed from this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see the next videos. And one more thing, if you want to have the same experience with me, please visit our website